Hello everyone, welcome to YCloud. Today, let's quickly walk through how to create TikTok click to WhatsApp ads and drive TikTok traffic directly into WhatsApp conversations. Before creating ads, you first need to connect your TikTok ad account inside YCloud. Go to the CTWA section in YCloud. Click Connect Ad Account, then log into your TikTok ads account and complete authorization. Once connected successfully, your ad account will appear in YCloud. After connecting the ad account, the next step is binding the WhatsApp business number you want to use for ads. YCloud will automatically create the corresponding messaging event set for this number, which will later be used inside TikTok Ads Manager. With YCloud, businesses can not only connect TikTok with WhatsApp, but also track conversations, identify ad sources, and send conversion events back to TikTok for ongoing ad optimization. Next, go into TikTok Ads Manager and create a new campaign. For the campaign objective, select Lead Generation, then continue into the ad group setup. Inside the ad group setup, you'll configure the messaging destination. First choose Instant Messaging Apps, then select Conversations as the goal, and finally choose WhatsApp as the messaging app. Then enter the WhatsApp business number used for ads. Make sure to select the country code separately. For example, if the number is +1 234567, you should select +1 first. Then enter 234567. After entering the number, TikTok will automatically match the corresponding messaging event set. Before publishing the ad, it's recommended to test the flow by checking the ID and scanning the QR code with the TikTok app to confirm users can correctly open the WhatsApp conversation. After completing the ad group setup, you can start configuring the ad creative. Upload images or videos. Then add your ad copy. It's also recommended to clearly tell users that clicking the ad will start a conversation with the business on WhatsApp. Finally, preview the full ad flow and confirm users are entering the correct WhatsApp conversation. Once everything looks good, click Publish All to submit the campaign. After the ad passes review, you can officially launch it. If you're also using TikTok for customer acquisition, let us know in the comments. Are you more focused on traffic acquisition or WhatsApp conversion workflows right now? We'll continue sharing more practical TikTok and WhatsApp use cases in future videos. With TikTok click to WhatsApp ads, businesses can bring ad traffic directly into WhatsApp conversations, creating a faster connection between advertising, sales, and customer conversion. If your team also wants to build a stronger growth workflow with TikTok and WhatsApp, feel free to follow YCloud.